Hi, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Genius channel. I was getting a lot of calls, messages sir, last date for UPSC application is the 2nd March, and how to apply for this, the notification has not come. So let us be very clear. Let us be very clear. Okay. On record, I'm saying that 2nd March 2021 is not the I'm putting into any number of intos I can mark. It's not the last date. Last date will be given from the date of notification only. So as of now, today's 24th February, as of now, there is no notification has come from UPSC. So there is no last date as of now. Don't worry. So most of you have this calendar. No, you might have seen this calendar. You might have seen this calendar such a way that 2nd March 2021 is the last date, and 27th June is my exam date. There is no change in the exam date. This is correct. This is correct, but this is not correct. 2nd March 2021 is the last, not the last date. They'll be giving 20 days time from the date of notification. Suppose, if I'm saying suppose, 1st March is the date of notification, you can apply till 20th of March. Okay, so no need to worry that 2nd March is the last date. How to apply? Am I missing my application and all? No need to worry. Okay, the last date is not 2nd March. It will be notified when the notification is coming. Okay, so if you have got any doubts, you can always call me. 9959916183 is my number. You can do a WhatsApp also. Okay, and so let us be very clear. Application for the UPSC Civil Service 2021 has not come as on 24th February. When it is coming from there, 20 days time will be given. Okay, wish you all the best, guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye. At the same time, one more thing I want to tell you: don't worry about the application part. Prepare. Your preparation is very important than the application. Anyway, you'll come to know the application if you're subscribing to my channel or you're sending me a message in the WhatsApp. I'll put you in the broadcast. So whenever the notification is coming, I'll inform you. Prepare well. Concentrate on the preparation part. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye.